Amazon, in collaboration with Shutterstock Images, recently introduced this very cool feature in the advertising console that allows sellers to directly import Shutterstock images from their Seller Central in the Creative Directory. And these images through the Creative Directory can later be used in either A plus content, any sponsored brand campaigns, and also in storefront design. My name is Usman Javed. I'm the founder of the Behind Brand Agency. And in this video, I'm going to give you a complete walkthrough of how you will be able to import these images to your Creative Directory from your Seller Central. So without further ado, let's just dig into the video. Right, so this is an advertising console interface. You can see on your left bar, there is a section indicating creative tools. And we need to click creative assets. It will take us to this interface. You can see there are quite a lot of assets already being uploaded in the Creative Directory. But the fun part is, as you can see, there is a section called as Get Free Professional Images. So you need to click that. And this is where it's going to basically take you to search for images which are basically related to your product. So for instance, for your case, if you have a product in, let's just say it's a baking tray, you just need to go ahead and search baking, or if I just have to be a little bit more specific, I can search baking tray, and you can see that there are thousands of reserves available that you can choose, and these images you can directly import from here into your creative directory, which you can then later on take into any of your campaigns related to your product, and use there for gaining maximum visibility and better conversion rate, and obviously better click-through rate. So you can see there are quite a lot of good options available here. Obviously, this is a quite decent option for you to choose from in case if you have not invested heavily on any of your creative assets. So let's just say this is the kind of product that or let's just move around a little bit more and take out any images that I think could be more relevant to my product. Let's just say this is the product, and this is let's just say these are the two images which are very, very relevant to us. You just need to do is that you need to select that and you need to click add to assets. So it's going to take a couple of minutes to basically import these images into your creative directory. It's already in process and should be added to creative assets. As you can see here, it's loading, so it should be here by now. As you can see here, these are the two creative assets being uploaded. Now, if you can have a click at View Assets Details, you will see there are still watermarks available on these assets. But when you move towards using them on your storefront or on your A plus content or any of your campaigns, these watermarks won't appear. Just like you can see here, watermarks won't appear in the final ad image. So that will be the case. As you can see, if we just go ahead and create a campaign from sponsored brands, um, let's just keep it same, scroll down to the bottom, and you can see here there are normally options available. Custom image is usually an optional case, but what is optional, you should basically use it. Click add image and you can choose from creative assets. So it's going to basically take you to your creative assets to which you just recently imported your images, and you can basically select those images from here, and it's going to start showing up to your ad creative. Now, same as the process for your storefront and also for your A plus content, you just need to simply import your images into your creative assets, and then take those creative assets into either your A plus content and storefront, and it's gonna work fine without any watermark. Yeah, so I hope this video helps you to set up some really, really amazing campaigns, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day. Bye.